A system of linear inequalities consists of two or more linear inequalities. The solution to this system of linear inequalities is the set of all ordered pairs that make all of the inequalities true at the same time. The two inequalities that are going to be in our system, the first one will be 2x plus y is less than or equal to 4. Now to graph this, we're going to solve for y, which means the 2x will move over to the other side and it will become negative. We graph the boundary line with a y-intercept of 4. The slope of negative 2 means we go down 2 to the right 1, down 2 to the right 1. This will be a solid line because of the equal sign in the inequality. And because it's y is less than or equal to, we shade below the line. The second inequality will be x minus y is greater than or equal to 2. So we move the x over and it changes sign. Then dividing by negative 1, you have to remember with inequalities, the inequality symbol will change direction. So now we have y is less than or equal to x minus 2. So we begin by plotting the y-intercept of negative 2. A slope of 1 means we go up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1. We're drawing a solid line because the inequality contains the equal sign. And here y is less than or equal to, so we shade below the line. The solution now to this system is where the two regions overlap, so where we have the red and the blue shading is the solution. So to solve a system of linear inequalities, graph each inequality, then find where their regions overlap. This is the solution. The second system that we're going to graph will begin with 3x plus 4y is less than 12. Now we need again to solve this for y. We'll move the 3x over and it will become negative. Dividing by 4, we'll have y is less than negative 3/4 x plus 3. So graphing this, we'll begin at the y-intercept of 3. We'll go down 3 to the right 4. Down 3 to the right 4. This boundary line, however, is dashed. And its y is less than, so we shade below the line. The second line, or inequality, is 2x minus 3y is less than 6. So moving the 2x over becomes negative. Dividing by negative 3, we have y now is greater than 2/3 x minus 2. So graphing this linear inequality, beginning at the y-intercept of negative 2, we move up 2 to the right 3, up 2 to the right 3. We're drawing a dashed line. And here y is greater than, so we're shading above the line. And again, the solution is where the two regions overlap, where the blue and the red regions are together. Alright, last example. Y is greater than negative 2/5 x plus 3. So we begin with the y-intercept of 3, and we go down 2 over 5. We draw a dashed line, and we shade above that line. The second line is y is less than negative 2/5 x minus 2. Now if you notice, these are parallel lines. So we begin at 2, then we go down 2 over 5. Draw a dashed line. And here we're shading below the line, and we see the regions never intersect.